Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and I just damaged the tempered glass of my iPhone 12 mini, and I just thought of buying the same tempered glass and showing you all how to install it. As you can see, I was just lucky guys. In this case, I was using the full coverage tempered glass, so only the tempered glass got damaged and not my Face ID. And remember this guys, if your Face ID get damaged, it is next to impossible. You have to go to lot of process of getting your Face ID and all. So in this case, please use a full protection tempered glass only for your iPhone. So let me just show you also how to install this particular tempered glass, and I'll be giving the link in the description, so do check this out. So at present this was very impressive by this tempered glass, so I ordered it again. Also, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and do not forget to press the bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Also, this tempered glass which we have it is having a slight cutout, and the sides are very smooth guys. It is 9H something. And let me just also show you the accessories part which we get it over here. And basically this is going to help you to install this screen guard, and as I've been using this above for about 9 months and I had no issues with this. Let me just remove the previous tempered glass, and you need to use a proper tempered glass guys, because the expert charges a premium for the display repairs, etc. And let me just show you, it's the same tempered glass which I had been using, and there is a small kind of raised lip as you can see over here, and this part just near the speaker grill. And as you can see, the damage was not that much, so I got saved guys. And after removing it, you just need to clean it properly and make sure that your Face ID and other sensors are visible. And let me just show you how to install it guys. But before that, let me just clean this with a clean cloth, and I'm using this microfiber cloth which is available on Amazon. You can use any microfiber cloth. The reason why I'm using a microfiber cloth is because I don't want the screen to be getting scratched. And ceramic shield guys, although it is impact resistance, though it gets more scratches, so we need to use the alcohol swab which we get it in this case. And I'm just going to rub this a couple of times to just get rid of all the fingerprints, etc., if there are any. And this is how you have to do it guys. You all don't have to rigorously rub it. You all just have to just kind of a tap, just a gentle tap will be doing. And if you all rigorously rub like this, your actual display might get scratched and all. And as you can see, there is this anti-glare coating guys on the display, I guess that's why you can see pink. And then we have a nice cloth which we get it in the box. Check out the link in the description guys. If you all are owning the iPhone 12 or 12 mini, you all can get this screen guard, and it is very effective guys. In my case, the drop was a lot, so but still it protected my phone, and that was a good deal. So I thought of ordering the same tempered glass again. So all you need to do is just peel off the protective case and just place it. Be very careful while placing it, because one wrong move and you'll have to do it all over again guys. So make sure that you're aligning the sides first and then later on the speaker grill. And in this case, the iPhone 12 mini, it's a smaller phone, so it is very easy to apply. So bigger phones like not 12 or 12 Pro Max will be having a bit of a harsh time in applying this screen guard. So once you make sure guys that you all have actually aligned it, so you'll just have to press in the middle, and as you can see, it will go automatically, and all those bubbles, etc., won't be there, except for the fact that there are on the edges some bubbles which we can easily get rid of it just by rubbing it. And this is how you install it perfectly. Also, I'll be showing after removing bubbles also how I got rid of this. So what I do is I always take a clean cloth or something and then just press against the bubbles. And you should just have to make sure guys that you all are just pressing the bubbles from inside to out. So in this case, if you just move it like this, it is just going to get rid of the bubbles. So in certain cases, you all might have to slightly lift up the tempered glass again and then start the process. But make sure that your tempered glass is actually not catching up dust and all. So this is how it looks guys. So just have to press it, and let me just also show you after removing it. So then what I do is I just use like a very clean cloth and then just rub it across so that we don't have bubbles, etc. And presently I'm just using the cloth which is available with this screen guard, and this way I make sure that if there are any additional screen bubbles, etc., I can easily get rid of it. So let me know in the comments below if you have ever installed screen guard and you all got it like bubble free in the first try, etc. So most of these screen guard are coming with this kind of nice coating, guys, which I really like it, and it gives that purplish kind of shimmer or pinkish kind of shimmer, you can say. And as you can see, that's it, guys. I have successfully installed this particular tempered glass on my iPhone 12 mini, and I've removed each and every bubble of it. So it takes time, it takes patience, and with lot of test, and after installing many screen guards and all, then you can definitely get it perfect, guys. And this is one of the best recommended screen guard for the iPhone 12 mini, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel, and let me know in the comments below what you think about the iPhone 12 mini and this credit card. And again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.